This training will go over how to review your existing absence accrual hours to prepare for a new absence accrual year to be opened in Vantagepoint. After posting all of the timesheets, but before opening a new absence accrual year, review the accrued time report to verify the correct current balances. These balances, unless using carryover limits, will be the new year's starting balances. In the December accounting period, go to My Stuff, Reporting, Employee Reporting, Accrued Time Report. Click on Options for the Accrued Time Report. Select the current absence accrual year in the Accrual Year drop-down field. Click Run. Preview or print the Accrued Time Report. Use the Current Balance column to verify correct new year starting balances. If carryover limits are in place for the absence accrual code and the current balance is larger than the carryover limit, the carryover limit will be the new year's starting balance. Next, review the absence accrual setup in Settings, Accounting, Absence Accrual. If you want to pre-accrue any of your absence accruals when a new absence accrual year is opened, select the Pre-Accrue Hours checkbox for the applicable absence accrual code. When checked, Vantagepoint looks at the Employee Hub, Accounting tab, Absence Accruals grid, and applies the full amount of the number of hours for that absence accrual code at the beginning of the absence accrual year. If employees are allowed to carry over unused absence accrual hours, verify that the carryover limit is set up correctly. The default carryover limit is noted on this settings screen. Select the Limit Hours Carried Over to a New Accrual Year checkbox and enter the maximum number of hours that can be carried over in the Carryover field. The settings carryover limit is a system-wide limit. However, if you would like to designate a carryover limit that is specific to an employee, do that in the Employee Hub, Accounting tab, Absence Accrual grid. Set the Has Carryover Limit field to Yes, and then enter the number of hours this employee is allowed to carry over to the new absence accrual year in the Carryover Limit field. If you would like the carryover limit for this employee to follow what has been set up in Settings, select System in the Carryover Limit field. Thank you for attending. For more information, please review the year-end resources within the Deltek Support Center.